ever wanted to invest in popular companies like Apple, Facebook, Netflix, or Tesla? Well, if you have, then this video is for you. The first step to investing in stocks is to set up an investing account with a brokerage. Don't worry if that sounds a bit intimidating, because online brokers make it super easy to execute trades and provide you with tools that can help you make informed investing decisions. And the best part, by taking control of your investments, you can save yourself thousands of dollars in asset management fees that you'd otherwise be paying someone else to manage your money for you. So let's dive into the world of online investing and see how you can start making your money work for you. Here are the best online brokers for 2023. Fidelity, best overall, best for commissions and fees. If you're looking for a reliable online broker that can help you invest wisely, then you need to check out Fidelity. Not only do they offer $0 trades, but they also have some of the best research tools in the industry. And if you're always on the go, you'll love their easy-to-use mobile app. But don't just take my word for it. Fidelity was rated in the top 5 in almost every category by experts in the industry. And guess what? They're the overall winner this year. They even won awards for innovation, new tool, order execution, and fractional shares. If you're ready to start investing with a broker you can trust, then keep watching to learn more about Stockbrokers. They provide all the benefits you'd expect from a full-service brokerage, with a wide range of investment services available, from stock trading to retirement guidance. Whatever your investment needs, Fidelity has got you covered. So why not give them a try and see what they can do for you? TD Ameritrade, best trading platforms and tools, best for beginners. Broker that offers an all-around great experience. Well, let me tell you about TD Ameritrade. They've got $0 trades, which is pretty amazing, right? Plus, their trading platforms are fantastic, and their market research is top-notch. And if you're just starting out, they've got industry-leading education to help you learn the ropes. It's no wonder they placed among the best in class in several categories, including options trading and best for beginners, making them one of our top overall brokers in 2023. Oh, and a little fun fact for you. Charles Schwab actually purchased TD Ameritrade back in 2020. So let's dive in and see what else TD Ameritrade has to offer. TD Ameritrade has got you covered with not one, but 2 amazing smartphone apps to suit your investment style. If you're a casual investor, then TD Ameritrade Mobile is perfect for you. But if you're an active trader with a hunger for features, then Thinkorswim Mobile Stock Trading app has got everything you need. The best part, both apps are top-notch and guaranteed to impress. So whether you're a casual investor or a feature-hungry active trader, TD Ameritrade has got the perfect app for you. E-Trade, best investor app, best web trading platform. E-Trade. In 2023, they were one of the year's best performing brokers, earning awards for best investor app and web trading platform. And it's no wonder why. They ranked in the top 5 for investment options, platforms and tools, research, mobile trading apps, education, and overall ease of use. However, if you're into crypto, you might need to look elsewhere because E-Trade doesn't support cryptocurrencies. So if you're looking for an all-around great brokerage, E-Trade is definitely worth checking out. They offer exceptional legibility and customization, so you can get the information you need at a glance. And their mobile app makes it a breeze to navigate and get as much detail as you want. Plus, with E-Trade's partnership with Morgan Stanley, even us regular investors can access high net worth proprietary research, perfect for those of us with aspirations of becoming billionaires. So whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started, E-Trade has got you covered with its top-notch features and resources. Looking for a financial services partner that will be with you every step of the way? Look no further than Merrill Edge and its parent company, Bank of America. Our 2023 annual review shows that they are leading the pack in the overall client experience, banking services, best client dashboard, and high net worth investors categories. They offer game-changing tools and excel in almost every aspect of the brokerage world. However, there are some limitations on the products they offer, as penny stocks and crypto are not available at Merrill Edge. If you're ready to take your finances to the next level, join Merrill Edge and explore the benefits. With features like Portfolio Story, Dynamic Insights, and the Stock and Fund Stories, you'll have access to the best tools available since the introduction of $0 commission stock trades. Plus, you'll get access to Bank of America Securities' proprietary research, giving you even more insight into the markets. On top of its great features, Merrill Edge also boasts a premium design feel, making investing a sleek and intuitive experience. However, there are some drawbacks to the platform. Some site elements can be slow to load, which can be frustrating for investors looking for quick and easy access to their accounts. Additionally, Merrill Edge doesn't offer cryptocurrencies, futures, foreign exchange, fractional shares, or paper trading, which could be a deal breaker for some investors. While we do like the desktop investing platform Merrill Edge Market Pro, day traders may find it lacking certain features that are provided by competitors like TD Ameritrade, Tastytrade, TrendStation, and E-Trade. Overall, Merrill Edge is a solid choice for investors who prioritize top-quality research and user-friendly design, but may not be the best fit for those looking for a wider range of investment options or lightning-fast site speeds. Charles Schwab, best for long-term investing. When it comes to helping people save money, Charles Schwab is the ultimate expert. They offer all sorts of helpful tools, advice, and ideas at prices that won't break the bank. Just so you know, they recently bought TD Ameritrade, but we'll be reviewing each company on its own for now. So if you want to make smart investments without spending a fortune, Schwab is the way to go. When considering Schwab as an investment broker, it is important to weigh the pros and cons. One advantage is that Schwab offers a vast selection of investment options, which can be appealing to investors seeking variety. Additionally, the broker provides a well-stocked library of research and content for long-term investors. Traders will also find that they are not shortchanged, as multiple sources suggest that Schwab will retain TD Ameritrade's highly regarded Thinkorswim desktop platform. However, there are some potential drawbacks to consider. One notable disadvantage is that cryptocurrency is not offered through Schwab. Additionally, mutual fund transaction fees can be complex, which may be a concern for investors seeking simplicity. Finally, some critics argue that Schwab's content presentation falls behind other brokers that take a more user-friendly approach. Ultimately, investors should weigh the pros and cons of Schwab against their personal investment goals and preferences. While Schwab offers a range of benefits, there are also some potential drawbacks to consider. By carefully considering these factors, investors can make an informed decision about whether Schwab is the right investment broker for them. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Let us know your opinion in the comments section below. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video. Thanks for watching.